I'm gonna to show you how to fucking convert HDR footage recorded in Shadowplay into SDR, because there's no tutorial out in Premiere Pro. There's no tutorial out there because everyone is fucking obsessed with iPhones, so I don't get it. Anyways, let's get started. First of all, you put the HDR media in it, and you need to do the obligatory first steps that doesn't work for Shadowplay fucking retards. Sequence settings, here you go to color management, you put it in direct drag 719 SDR, like every tutorial tells you to do. Then you go to fucking modify and put on color, then all white media color space reflect to 719. Well, normally the tutorial is finished here and you say you have successfully converted. Bullshit! This footage looks like this, it's fucking grey, it's fucking ugly, it's fucking retarded, it's not done. This is not correctly. This is ugly as fuck. So I gotta explain now how to convert it properly. First of all, for some reason there's only tutorials for fucking DaVinci Resolve. Fucking broke people get some money and buy Premiere Pro. Input. What you gotta do is you gotta do it for every other clip as well. You can't just select all of them and just modify then color and put the LUT here. You can't do this. Even for a single file you can't put the LUT here. What you gotta do is you have to go through every single clip that is HDR. So if you have one recording that's in HDR, that's good, you have to do this once, but if you have multiple clips you have to go through all of them. First of all, you click on them, then you open what I did then, you click on your bled, then Lumetri color. If you don't have Lumetri color, you go to window and you enable it here. So you click on the HDR footage and select Alexa default log C2 rec blah blah blah. This is for Shadowplay. I think this is the best look. On auto it finishes up the deals and it looks really pretty. It really looks like how the game looked on my HDR monitor. It's really good. You can try the other LUTs like this for example, or this. I don't know where you would use this, and test it for yourself, find your own solutions, but I think this is the best way to convert it to SDR. It really looks like the game yet. And obviously you don't have to do this for SDR footage because SDR is already in SDR. So this is the tutorial by show nachholen.